Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down tech concepts into simple, digestible bits. Today, we're diving into something every developer should know: unit testing. If you've ever wondered what it is, why it matters, or if it's worth your time, stick around. So, what is unit testing? At its core, it's an automated testing method that focuses on the smallest units of your code, like functions, methods, or modules. When you write unit tests, you're basically writing code to test your code. That means your code base has two parts: your actual business logic and the tests, which are there to make sure that logic works as expected. Now, unit testing is just one piece of the automated testing puzzle. Let's compare it to the other two big players: integration tests, which test how multiple modules work together, and end-to-end tests, which take it a step further and test the entire application flow, from start to finish. But unit tests are foundational. They're where you start to build reliable software. All right, let's talk about the good stuff. Why is unit testing worth your time? Here are 3 solid reasons. First, early bug detection. When you integrate unit tests into your CI/CD pipeline using tools like GitHub Actions or Jenkins, you catch bugs before they hit production. It's like having a safety net for your code. Second, confidence in code changes. Unit tests give you the freedom to refactor or update your code without constantly worrying about breaking something. If something's off, the tests will fail and let you know. Third, peace of mind for developers. Let's face it, deploying to production can be nerve-wracking. But when you have solid unit tests in place, you can rest easy knowing your core logic has been thoroughly checked. Unit testing might sound like extra work at first, but trust me, it saves you so much effort and stress in the long run. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, learning to write good unit tests is a skill that'll level up your software development game. That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, subscribe for more dev tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.